Today I am going to teach you how to use Sway to easily create and share a polished, interactive, web-based canvas of your ideas with anyone. First, you will need to log in and get started. You can go to sway.com, click Get Started, and you can either create a Microsoft account by signing up now, or if you've already got one, you can enter in your account information now. I already have an account, so I will enter that quickly, and we can get started. You have three options once you get into My Sway. You can either create a new Sway, you can import a file that you've already created, or you can update any of the ones that you've already started. Today we are going to import just so that you can see the different options that you have once you're in Sway. You can create a new if that's what you would prefer to do for this particular project. It is importing all the information. So this is a PowerPoint presentation that a student has done in the past. We are using Sway this time around, so I just imported her information. Things that we can do now that we've got all the information about the country in the Sway, we can add pictures. So I'm going to click on Insert. We can add pictures from the internet, Bing. If you've got pictures on Facebook, in your Drive, you can add it from any of your devices. We can click Bing. I can do insert a picture for the background of the title slide. We can insert a YouTube video. Insert that wherever you would like. And then we have some options once you have all of your information in here. I'm going to close out so you can kind of see what's going on. If you were to hit Create and Organize, you can actually see the Sway developing behind the scenes. Just a couple of more things to show you, and then we will see the finished product. Your cards. That's all these little, you can think of it as a PowerPoint slide. In design, you can choose a type of design that you want to apply, and Microsoft Sway will do all the creating for you. So choose a design that way. And then navigation, the last piece, if you want to be able to scroll horizontally through your presentation, or you can do a vertical scroll similar to the common website that we have, or that we've seen. Now, I will close out of navigation and let's preview our awesome Sway. And you can scroll down and you can see the videos. You can play the videos here. They will actually play in real time. We've got pictures showing up nicely, all the information. You can add charts. So play around with Sway during this project. Just make sure that at the end of your project you are inserting your sources on where you're finding your information. If you need to go back and edit, you can click on the edit button. You can share this Sway, so you can share to Facebook if you really like it. Otherwise, here is where you're going to find your link for this particular project. You will be copying and pasting your link into a Google Doc so that all the other students in this class can view your Sway. But we will go over more details about that. To get back to My Sways, you can click back here. You can go back into Malaysia. You can delete a Sway here. So hopefully you will enjoy using Sway. I look forward to looking at your projects when you are done. Please ask if you have questions while using this particular program. Enjoy!